Italian sausage and potatoes sauteed with onions, tomatoes and basil. Let's get cooking. When I chop potatoes, I like to take a slice off the end, and now it will lay flat. It doesn't wobble around. You always want to be careful when you're dicing something around. We're going to put this into 1/4-inch pieces. Basically, it's bite-sized. Give them a rinse in some water. I want to dice an onion. For garlic, I like to snip that end piece off because it's not really edible. Just place the knife on the side and give this a bashing. This is one of the best ways to mince garlic. The skin will come off easy and it's easier to finely chop or mince the garlic. You can see the garlic now, it's a small dice. For cherry tomatoes, place them on a plate and put another plate on the top. Use your sharp knife to come across. This is the easiest way to slice a large amount of cherry tomatoes. It saves you cutting them individually. For the rosemary, I like to grab the top of the stem and pull the leaves backwards. Look how easy that is, and they make great skewers for scallops and shrimp. Mince the rosemary. We're actually going to be using basil chicken sausage, but you could use Italian pork sausage. You could use any sausage you like. Whatever sausage you do choose, be sure to give it a nice browning in the pan. It usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the sausage from the pan. Now there's lots of yumminess in the bottom of that pan, and we're going to add the onion, the potatoes, season this with some salt and freshly ground pepper. Let them cook for about 10 minutes until the potatoes are tender. Add the tomatoes, the garlic and the rosemary. Now give this a stir and let this cook for a couple of minutes. While it's cooking, let's slice the sausage. I usually slice these into bite size. Remember, the sausage is already fully cooked. Add that back to the pan and let it cook for about another 5 minutes. The tomatoes will release a bit of the juices and everything will warm up nicely. Add the fresh basil and there you have it. Let's give it a try. Look how tender those potatoes are. As I taste this, that chicken sausage with those golden potatoes, and then I've got that garlic, the rosemary, and a hint of basil. It's absolutely delicious. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton. Always remember, keep it simple.